What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning is a type of software that organizations use to manage and integrate the essential parts of their business operations. ERP systems are designed to consolidate all the processes necessary to run a company, such as finance, human resources, supply chain, manufacturing, services, procurement, and others, into a single system. This integration helps ensure that information flows seamlessly across departments, providing a unified and real-time view of core business processes. Core concepts of ERP. Integration is the most crucial concept in ERP. It refers to the seamless connection of different business processes within an organization. In an ERP system, all departments from finance to human resources are interconnected, allowing data to be easily shared and accessed across the company. For example, when a sale is made, the ERP system automatically updates inventory, financial records, and customer accounts. Automation is another key feature of ERP. By automating routine tasks such as order processing, payroll, and invoicing, ERP systems reduce manual errors, increase efficiency, and free up employees to focus on more strategic activities. Data centralization means that all the data in an ERP system is stored in a single database. This centralization ensures that all users have access to consistent and up-to-date information, which is critical for decision-making. For instance, a manager can quickly generate a report on sales performance across different regions without needing to reconcile data from multiple sources. Real-time operation is a defining characteristic of modern ERP systems. As transactions occur, the system updates instantly, providing real-time insights into business performance. This feature is vital for companies that need to make timely decisions, such as managing inventory levels or responding to customer inquiries. ERP modules. ERP systems are typically composed of several modules, each designed to handle specific business functions. Some common modules include Finance, manages accounting, budgeting, cash flow, and financial reporting. Human Resources HR handles employee records, payroll, recruitment, and performance management. Supply Chain Management SCM oversees the flow of goods, services, and information from suppliers to customers. Customer Relationship Management CRM manages customer data, sales, marketing, and service interactions. Manufacturing controls production planning, scheduling, and quality management. Each module is integrated with others, ensuring that data flows smoothly across the entire system. For example, when an employee is hired, the HR module updates the payroll in the finance module, ensuring that salary payments are accurate and on time. Real-life use case. Manufacturing industry. Imagine a manufacturing company that produces electronic goods. Before implementing an ERP system, the company might have used different software for inventory management, production scheduling, and financial accounting. This setup often led to delays, errors, and miscommunication between departments. After implementing an ERP system, the company integrated all its processes. Now, when a customer places an order, the ERP system automatically checks inventory levels, schedules production, and updates financial records. If a component is running low, the system automatically triggers a purchase order to the supplier. This integration has reduced production lead times, minimized inventory costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Benefits of ERP: improved efficiency. By automating and streamlining business processes, ERP systems reduce the need for manual input and help eliminate errors, leading to more efficient operations. Better decision-making. With real-time data and comprehensive reporting tools, ERP systems provide managers with the information they need to make informed decisions quickly. Scalability. ERP systems are designed to grow with the company. As the business expands, new modules can be added to accommodate additional processes without disrupting existing operations. Compliance and risk management. ERP systems help organizations comply with regulatory requirements by providing accurate and auditable records. They also assist in managing risks by offering tools to monitor and control business activities. Challenges of implementing ERP. While ERP systems offer numerous benefits, they can also be challenging to implement. High costs. Implementing an ERP system can be expensive, especially for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. Costs include software licenses, hardware, training, and ongoing maintenance. Complexity. ERP systems are complex and require significant time and effort to implement correctly. Businesses may need to re-engineer their processes to align with the ERP system, which can be disruptive. Resistance to change. Employees may resist adopting a new ERP system, especially if they are comfortable with existing processes. Training and change management are crucial to ensure a smooth transition. Real-life example. Walmart, one of the world's largest retail companies, uses an ERP system to manage its vast operations. The ERP system integrates inventory management, procurement, sales, and financial data across thousands of stores worldwide. This integration allows Walmart to optimize its supply chain, reduce costs, and respond quickly to changing customer demands. For example, if a particular product is selling fast in one region, the ERP system can automatically reorder stock and redistribute it from other locations to meet demand. Conclusion. ERP systems are powerful tools that can transform the way businesses operate by integrating, automating, and centralizing critical processes. While implementing an ERP system can be challenging, the benefits in terms of efficiency, decision-making, and scalability often outweigh the costs. Real-life examples, such as those in manufacturing and retail, demonstrate the significant impact ERP can have on business success.